Hey guys, want to make your Samsung phone look extra cute with those fluffy soft pastel icons everyone's been using lately? Trust me, this takes just a few minutes and the result is chef's kiss adorable. Let me show you how to do it. So first, go ahead and install One UI Fluffy Icons from the Play Store. The link's already in the description so you can grab it easily. Next, you'll need Good Lock or Fine Lock. Good Lock is definitely the better option, but if your Samsung device doesn't support it, Fine Lock works totally fine too. After that, open Good Lock or Fine Lock, scroll around until you find the module called Theme Park and install it first. Once it's ready, open Theme Park and tap on the Icon menu, then hit Create New. Now, tap on the Icon Pack section and you'll see a list of available third-party icon packs. Choose Fluffy Icons from there. It should show up right away. When you're ready, tap the Save icon at the top right corner. Give your new icon theme a name, hit OK, and boom, your custom pack is saved. The last step is super easy. Just select the fluffy icon theme you created and tap Apply. And you're done. Now your Samsung phone looks way cuter with these fluffy icons. Even though not every single icon changes, about 90% of them will, which is already a huge glow up. So, ready to make your Samsung look 10 times cuter? Give this a try and let me know how fluffy your home screen turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more aesthetic hacks.